Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. As you may have already got from the title of this video, I'll be showing you all the clothing items and footwear that I bought for my birthday. I promise you all this would be my last birthday haul video. I've already 2 more videos up on my channel wherein I have showed you all the makeup that I've bought for my birthday. In case you have missed watching those videos, the link will be in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. So now for my birthday, I was very much clear in terms of what clothing items and footwear I wanted to buy. My fashion style is very much comfortable and casual, and I wanted to skip on buying the typical birthday party wear dress. So that's what I did. I bought all the clothes which are comfortable and very casual and that I can wear more often. So now without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the video. In no particular order, the first clothing item that I'll be showing you all is from Zara, and it's a play suit. It has vertical stripes in it, and it is brown and white colored. It has vertical stripes, so it makes you look little slimmer as well, and it has a V-neck and also a belt detailing which you can tie it at the back or at the front or at the side. You can style it or you can tie the belt in whichever way you are comfortable, and it is a pretty decent length. It comes a little above on my knees, but yeah, I really liked it. It's very much casual and it retails for 1590 rupees. I will not be trying these clothes and showing you all in this video because the video would go too long in that case. So yeah, I will be posting pictures on my Instagram really soon. In case you are interested in seeing how these clothes look on me, do follow me there. My ID is Mansi Nautiyal Mehta. I will be also providing link to my Instagram in the description box down below. So do check it out and follow me there. The next item that I'll be showing you all is from H&M. So I picked up 3 items from them, and 70% of my wardrobe is from H&M because I really like their clothes and how comfortable and casual they are. So this time I picked up the top, and this is one of my favorite tops. It's a very bright red color top with flowers printed all over it. It has V-neck and a very nice crisscross detailing right in front, and it is a peplum top, so it fits me really perfectly, and it again comes with a full sleeves and has elastic detailing right at the end. And I like wearing half sleeves, quarter sleeves and full sleeves. I avoid wearing sleeveless because that doesn't flatter my body type. And also I love wearing V-necks, and in case you are heavy chested, you should always wear V-necks over round tops. So yeah, that's a little tip that I would like to give you all. And yeah, this retails for 14.99. The next product that I picked up is a dress, and it is a knee length dress. Very comfortable and has a 3/4 sleeves and a tie-up detailing right here. Now this I picked up on a sale. There was a rack which was on sale, so this retails for 1499, but I got it for 650 rupees. I really like this. It has a V-neck again, and it will really go with your day outings, or if you're going out for a brunch. This really fits me perfectly and I like it. And the last item from H&M is a dress. Now this is a printed dress, like you can see all leaves printed all over it. It looks very huge, but the tag says that it is extra small. Nowhere extra small fits me. I don't know why they have mentioned extra small tag, but I picked it, and this is very loose to me, but I picked it up because it was on a very good price. This retails for 800 rupees, but I got it for just 350 rupees. I can get it altered. My tailor will take how much, like 50-70 rupees. I can get it altered, but when I was trying it, I tried it with a waist belt and it was looking really nice, so that's why I picked it up. Moving further, I have picked up 3 items from Central from a brand called Hey. Now I have never heard of this brand before, but when I was there, I really liked their clothes. So the first item that I picked from there is a play suit. Now you must have seen me wearing this on my Instagram, and also I wore this on my birthday. So in case you haven't seen my birthday look, so I will be providing link to that video in the description box below. So this is a very bright pink and very cute looking play suit with a cold shoulder detailing, and it also has elastic right at the waist, so it fits me really perfectly, and the frill detailing right at the bottom gives it a very cute look, and this retails for 12.99 rupees. Moving further, I picked up a skirt from the same brand, and this is a dark blue in color. Now this is a very nice short skirt, and again this fits me really well. This retailed for 8.99 rupees, and to go with this skirt I picked up a very basic plain white top. It has a little bit of frill detailing at the bottom and on the sleeves, and this retails for 3.99 rupees. Next clothing item that I picked is a very beautiful long and flowy maxi dress. Now I bought this one from a brand called Hack. They are on Instagram, and they also sell their products through exhibitions. I picked it up from one of the exhibitions, and this is mustard in color. I really like the color and also the comfort and the fit of this maxi dress. This is half and half maxi dress, so in the front half part you can see the mustard color, and in the other you can see the vertical dark blue and white stripes, and it also comes with the same vertical stripes, a belt that you can tie it around your waist. This fits me really well, and this retailed for 1,800 rupees, and the best part is that it has a very long slit that comes above your knees, so it gives you a very chic look. So the last clothing item of this haul is from Ajio, and these are very cute white and red checkered shorts, and these are button detailings right at the front, and I got it at a very reasonable price. These originally retailed for 999, but I got it on 70% off, and these were for just 350 rupees. Moving on to the footwears, I have picked 3 footwears from different brands, and the first one is from Ajio. These are very nice wedgies with ankle length, and these are light brown in color. It has a zip detailing right at the back, and they fit me really well, and they're also comfortable. Now I like wearing wedgies a lot over heels because these are comfortable and you can wear it for long hours. Also, I've seen one of the bloggers wearing this, and she styled these footwear with different outfits. So as soon as I saw it on sale on Ajio, I just picked it up. These originally retails for 2,499, which is 2,500, but I got it at a very discounted rate. This retailed for 750 only, so I picked it up. My obsession for white shoes made me buy the next footwear that I'll be showing you all. I picked these beautiful white sneakers from Hooves, and I really like the golden detailing right at the top. These are really comfortable because I've tried it once I received it. Also, I got it on a really good price. These originally retailed for 1,500 rupees, but I just paid 735. So the next footwear and the last product of this haul are these yellow colored wedgies. Like I told you, I love wearing wedgies, and I don't own anything in this color, so I picked this up. I really like it. It's very apt for a day outing, and again this was an off, so this originally priced for 17.99, but I got it for 850 rupees. So yeah, I picked all the footwears on discount, and I really like them. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, then give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel Mansi Nautiyal Mehta. Click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button for my future updates. Until next time, take care guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.